And the home team have been announced. And the away team have gone with this formation.
We're underway then. What can we expect here today? Messi. Sané. Now Luis. Is Suarez, and it's hard into the bottom corner.
And the deadlock's broken. How will the other team respond? That could be a really important goal in this football match. Who knows?
Messi. That's nicely played. Played in field. And that's a goal kick. His head, and a great headed goal. It's 1-1.
I wonder what that goal will do to the script of this run.
Iniesta. Oh, and dispossessed there. Oh, good catch by the keeper. Pulls the trigger. Keeper collects that one. Sané. Messi. Hazard. And he stayed onside. Oh, well taken by the goalkeeper. Ibrahimovic. Striker's ball. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. They're appealing, but he's onside. Goalkeeper's ball. Well taken. Patience here. Sané. Defenders are looking to the assistant, but the flag stays down. The striker was looking forward to that. The official is indicating 3 minutes of stoppage time. That's it for now. It's half-time. Here we go then, the second half. Another 25 minutes to equal. Iniesta. Game here, and this could be a chance for the opposition to penetrate the... Really well played. Iniesta. Tackled by Company. Oh, well done. He goes for goal! Buffon with the save. Sané. This is Aguero. They've won it back. Here's Dembele. They have the ball again. Silva. Lawrence will lift the pressure. Well intercepted. Oh, determined challenge there. It's level. It looks like this team are going for the balls. That's a bit slack already. It's going to be a free kick. Let's see what difference the change makes. Need to be making the goalkeeper work from here.
Deulofeu.
Oh, he did really well there.
And Ter Stegen has it.
Here's Dembele. What a well-timed tackle. Oh, what a finish. Into the bottom corner. Decisive.
He struck at such an important time here, put his team in front. Fantastic goal. That could be a really important goal in this football match. Who knows?
Oh, that's a foul.
Good, clean game so far.
Not a good challenge. That'll be a booking. Yellow card. Buffon collects. Well cut out. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. They're appealing, but he's onside. He must... Has a dig.
It's a goal. They've drawn level. And his teammates join in to start the celebrations. Great goal there.
Oh, it's 2-2 now. And the fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stop.
So we're off again here.
Mascherano. Nice work there.
He's onside here.
This is Paulinho. Oh, determined challenge there. Alba with the tackle. That's a dangerous area to lose the ball. Silva, well intercepted. And there we have it. The game could have gone either way in the end. It ended up on us even. He's led by example today, and that's why he's the team's captain and today's man of the match.